finally made it, huh? You know, Jhalen and Claire, it's a joy and a privilege to be here with you on this special day, your wedding day. But you know who else is overjoyed? It's none other than the God of the Bible, Jehovah. And that's because you've chosen to embrace His provision for marriage, an arrangement that He specifically designed to bring His earthly children lasting love and happiness.
But that's just what you do when you're in love.
All right, Jhalen, repeat after me. I, Jhalen Christopher Thompson.
I, Jhalen Christopher Thompson.
Take you, Claire Marie Helfrich.
Take you, Claire Marie Helfrich.
To be my wedded wife.
To be my wedded wife.
To love and to cherish.
To love and to cherish.
In accordance with the divine law.
In accordance with the divine law.
As set forth in the Holy Scriptures for Christian husbands.
As set forth in the Holy Scriptures for Christian husbands.
For as long as.
For as long as.
We both shall live together on earth.
We both shall live together on earth.
According to God's marital arrangement.
According to God's marital arrangement.
Very good. Very good. Okay, Claire, now it's your turn. Repeat after me. I, Claire Marie Helfrich.
I, Claire Marie Helfrich.
Take you, Jhalen Christopher Thompson.
Take you, Jhalen Christopher Thompson.
To be my wedded husband.
To be my wedded husband.
To love and to cherish.
To love and to cherish.
And deeply respect.
And deeply respect.
In accordance with the divine law.
In accordance with the divine law.
As set forth in the Holy Scriptures for Christian wives.
As set forth in the Holy Scriptures for Christian wives.
For as long as.
For as long as.
We both shall live together.
We both shall live together.
On earth.
On earth.
According to God's marital arrangement.
According to God's marital arrangement.
My favorite memories are starring you. You're more than I deserve, it's true. We're stronger now after all that we've been through. A life without you isn't lived. I wouldn't trade my greatest gift. No fairy tale could ever dream this up. Yeah, that's just what you get.
It's my happy pleasure to introduce to this marriage gathering brother and sister Jhalen Thompson.
For the first time in public, on a social level, Mr. and Mrs. Jhalen Claire Thompson.
First of all, I just want to say congratulations to you two. It's been a long road. Through the ups and downs, you guys have stuck together, and that's amazing. And the one thing I do admire about you is you're persistent. Like, when you want something and you want to accomplish something, you keep trying. Like, you don't give up. And you have that single-minded focus, and you get it done. So that, I just want to say congratulations again to both of you guys.
I love you. You're my sister, and I can't wait. I know I'm going to be there. Wait until I get my license. I'm going to drive over. I'll be there. Wait for me. Have my room up. I'll be there.